Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen IT Learning. Today we're talking about something extremely important, online safety. Did you know that every 39 seconds, a hacker attacks a computer somewhere in the world? But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll learn how to protect yourself, your data, and your online accounts. No fear, just practical steps you can implement today. Step 1. Passwords. Weak passwords are like leaving your front door open. Use passphrases. Long, easy to remember but hard to guess strings. Example, instead of 1234556, use Blue Tiger Coffee 2025. Pro tip, use a password manager like LastPass or Bitwarden to save and generate secure passwords. One master password, zero stress. Two-step verification is your security net. Even if someone steals your password, they can't log in without your second factor, usually your phone or email verification. Every account that offers 2FA, Gmail, Instagram, WhatsApp, banking apps, use it. It's like adding a second lock to your digital door. Hackers love to trick you with fake emails, messages, or websites. Rule of thumb, don't click suspicious links. Look for HTTPS, and the padlock icon. Never give your password or OTP to anyone. Example, that email claiming you won a $5,000 gift card. 100% scam. Pro tip, hover over links to see where they actually lead. It's like peeking behind the curtain. Public Wi-Fi is convenient, but it's a hacker's playground. Never log into bank accounts or sensitive accounts on open Wi-Fi. Use a VPN, virtual private network. It encrypts your connection and keeps hackers out. Think of VPN like a secure tunnel for your internet traffic. Software updates are not just annoying reminders, they're essential for safety. Hackers exploit old software vulnerabilities. Update your OS, browser, antivirus, and apps regularly. It's like giving your devices a shield upgrade. Imagine losing all your files tomorrow. Nightmare, right? Back up your important files, either on cloud services like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or external hard drives. Pro tip, keep at least 2 backups. One offline, one online. That way, even if your computer crashes or ransomware hits, your data is safe. Your personal info is gold for hackers and scammers. Set social media profiles to private, turn off location sharing, and don't overshare personal details. Even seemingly innocent posts like, "At home alone, be back late" can be dangerous. Bonus tip. Use different passwords for social accounts than banking or work accounts. Always have antivirus installed, even basic ones like Windows Defender work. Also consider browser-based security extensions like AdBlock, blocks malicious ads. HTTPS everywhere, forces secure websites. These small tools drastically reduce online risk. Cyber hygiene is about being smart online every day. Don't download files from unknown sources, avoid pirated software. Be cautious with browser pop-ups, check URLs carefully. Remember, being safe online is habit, not luck. And that's your complete Online Safety 101 guide for 2025. Follow these steps and you'll reduce 90% of online risks instantly. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me your top online safety tip. Share this video with friends and family because staying safe online is something everyone should learn. Next video, we'll explore AI tools to make you smarter in 2025. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.